Hello guys. I hope you are doing good. So in this video, we are going to talk about Zipkin, and we gonna see how to implement the Zipkin with in Spring Boot application. So before showing the implementation, I just want to give you a little information of about the Zipkin. So here you I'm in the on the page of Zipkin.io. So there is a lot of information they already have. But beside that, I would like to say in Zipkin we is a distributed tracing system that is commonly used in the context of microservices and you can say cloud-based application to monitor and diagnose performance issues. Okay. Having said that, it helps in understanding how different part of distributed uh, system interact with each other and can be especially useful in identifying the bottlenecks and latency in complex or interconnected services. Uh, from the point of view, if in addition to that, if I talk about Zipkin from the Spring Boot perspective, then I would say Zipkin provide a user interface where you can easily visualize the traces and analyze the performance of your application, or if it is microservices, then microservices. You can see the duration of each operation and identify the delays or issues. So with the help of it allows you to trace the flow of what I mean to say flow of a request as it travels through multiple layer of your application. So if it is a microservice, then it travel through multiple microservices, right? Zipkin it collect and record data about the request and their interaction with different component of the system. Okay. So whenever any performance issue arises, it can help you to pinpoint the exact service or component responsible for that problem. So this is how it helps us to in diagnosing or debugging issue in a distributed system. Okay. So I think I have given you a lot of information. Now let me start the implementation of the Zipkin. So let's head over to the Zipkin again. So here just come to this path, then I will go to quick start. So it will show you how you can download the Zipkin. So I'm going with Docker. So here they have given you Docker compose file, or you can go with Docker command. So if you are familiar with Docker compose YAML file, then you can go with that. There is no issue. So I'm going for a shortcut. I'm going with Docker command. Let me run this command. So currently I have no container, and neither nor I have any images. Okay. So okay. So here I am saying Docker to run in detach mode. So that didn't give the name. So I want my container name as Zipkin. You can, it's optional to you. You can skip this one. So after that, I'm publishing this Zipkin to this server to this port on the system, and the writer and the container will be published on this port, and the image name, this is the Zipkin image name. Okay, so just run this command. So when you run the this command for the first time, then it will download the image, then it will run the server. For that it will take 2 minutes, not 2 minutes, it's depend on your internet speed. Here it's run on this ID. So Zipkin is running, and now just heading to the so this is the one application that I have, so I need to add the dependency for that. So I have this one. So when you generate the application, let me show you. So whenever you generate the Spring Boot Jar application, that time you can add here Zipkin. So this one will add all the dependency as needed for Zipkin. So since I didn't have added before during creation of the current application that I have, so I need to add it manually here in the inside form XML file. So what are these? So actuator will expose all your information regarding your application, where this store dependency will register your request and will generate the trace ID and span ID. Okay, so so make sure you have added these three dependency. So by the way, I'm using Spring version 3.1.I1. So if you are using less than 3, then the procedure is different. There is separate. I mean, that's a different component you have to add. So let's reload the maybe. I think now I'm going to do one thing. Okay, my Zipkin is running on 9411. Let me go to this directory. So this is the interface that I was talking about. So currently there is nothing is there. So let me run my application. Okay, I need to run the daily server also as well. By the way, my application is up and running on this 880 port. So here I got an error because I have implemented Redis. Redis. My application is already connected with Redis, so they didn't find any server of the Redis. That's why I had some error. So this time I think I won't have any error. Yeah, so my application is running on 880 port. Let me what to say. Let's go to controller customer detail. So I'm just hitting this. I'm going to call this URL. Let's say get all. What was that? Customer, then get all. So these are information that I got from customer one, which and age at the. Okay, now if I, okay, let me do it for 3 times. So if I click on the run query, so here you can see it not registering any of the request because we haven't tell the actuator to I mean how much request to expose to register. So tracing for that you got to add this one. So here the range is 0 to 1, where 1 means 100%. So what actuator will do? Actuator will expose 100% of a request to the I mean is going to expose all a request. If you mention here 1, if you want to only expose 50% of your request, then you can just type 0.5. So the ranges depend on I mean 50% will 50% request will be exposed by your actuator. So for now I'm going to use 1, which means it's going to expose 100% of your request, okay, by actuator. So let me rerun this application again and see whether it's working for us or not. Application is running. Let me recall this URL again. Let's say 2 times. So I did it for 2 times. Now if you run the query, you will see the request. Now just expand this one. So duration it taken this amount of millisecond, which means almost 500. Sorry, my bad. So after that you can see if you got any error, it will highlight you in red color. Okay. So is there any exception? None. So each and everything of your request you will see here with the here and spine ID you can see here, and the URL that you called this one. So this is how you can monitor your Spring your application with the help of Zipkin. Okay, so I hope this video will help you a lot. Thanks for watching.